So guys, if you have been trying to grow rosemary for a very long time, if you follow these simple steps, you will be growing successful rosemary plants in no time at all. Hey friends, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about growing rosemary. Do you ever feel like just moving through the motions but not actually growing? I have been there. Welcome to the Cultivate and Motivate Me Lifestyle TV. I have created this space for those of us who want to stop settling and start building a life we actually love. Our main focuses on this channel is gardening, cooking, DIYs, and the lifestyle vlogs. Whether it's fitness, career goals, or just mental clarity, we're doing this together. Now, let's get into today's video. So guys, believe it or not, when I just started out trying to grow rosemary, I had no knowledge whatsoever. I was too lazy to go and do any form of research. I would cut the rosemary and just stick them anywhere in the garden, hoping for them to grow. And they didn't grow. Because one thing I was doing wrong was I was putting them in the direct sun. And when I did that, the sun would scorch the rosemary, the poor little rosemary cutting, guys. Scorch them to death. So it was not until I started cutting the rosemaries and put them in a very shaded area, I begin to have a little success. So now, let us get into the real matter of talking about what is rosemary and how we can successfully grow a rosemary plant. What is rosemary? Rosemary is a herb that is from the native of the Mediterranean area. That means it thrives in full sun and will do well in a little bit of shade also. Rosemary can be grown both in the ground and in containers, but all of my rosemary that I have in the garden right now, they are currently in containers. And as far as I'm concerned, guys, the rosemary can be grown in any soil at all, because this soil right here is just some simple native soil that I have been growing all my rosemary plants in for the past about 3 or 4 years. So guys, so far I have only known 2 ways that I can grow rosemary, and that is from seeds and from propagation. If you know of any other way that it can be grown, you can go ahead and comment down below. Now, if you're having difficulty to grow a rosemary plant, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to grow my big, bushy, nice rosemary plants. So as you saw earlier, I brought this little piece of rosemary plant from my existing plant that I have. After you get your rosemary cutting, you want to use the tender part of the rosemary and not the woody part. So I would advise you to break the rosemary from this section of the plant. Y'all see this part right here where it is showing the white stem? This is where you're going to break the rosemary from. Do not break it from the, let me show you a woody section. Yes, because this is a more mature plant. So you're not going to break the rosemary from this woody part of the plant. This is too hard and it will not grow at all. Alright, so after you get the rosemary, as I was showing you earlier, you are going to shave the bottom section of the rosemary. And if you want to scrape off a little part of, well, let me break it some more. If you want to scrape off some parts of the stem, you can go ahead and do that, and you don't need a knife to do that. You can just use your fingernail. If you don't have fingernails, fine, go ahead and use your knife or whatever tool you have. So after you shave the bottom section of your rosemary cutting, you can either put it in some water until it gets some roots. Or let me take another piece here, or you can do this instead. This is what you can do instead. You can stick it in an area where you have some very, very loose soil. And even though I mentioned earlier that the rosemary can be planted, can be grown in any soil at all, I would recommend when you're starting your plant to start out with some very loose soil, and that is what I have done in my Vigo garden. I don't remember how long I have these in here for. They have been in here for a while now, and if you can look closely, there are some roots on this piece that I just dug out, and I'm pretty sure that I have roots on the other pieces too that is looking fresh and green. But for the ones that didn't make it, they're looking a little bit dry. So I have a few pieces here right now, and I also have some growing over here. And as a result of me propagating my rosemary, this is what I currently have in my garden. I have this little one right here. I have this one here. This one here. And I have these two beautiful babies coming up. So you see, guys, one of my goals for this year is to incorporate a lot of rosemary in my garden, simply because rosemary is a great insect repellent from what I have learned. Now, before you plant your rosemary in your garden, guys, for pest deterrent, please consider these factors. There are some herbs and veggies that you should not plant along with your rosemaries. Now right here I have a aloe vera and a rosemary plant together, simply because both of them share the same type of nature. They do not like a lot of water. No, they don't. So I don't have to water my rosemary plant very often, and I don't have to water my aloe vera plant very often. So I planted them together. So right in the front section here in this container, I just bought some soil because I'm going to be preparing this area to grow some sage, some more oregano, maybe cabbage, beans and carrots. Yeah, those are some of the veggies that grows very well with lavender. Even though it is in a separate container by itself, yes, they still would go well together. The lifespan of rosemary is typically 10 to 20 years, but with excellent care in ideal climates like Mediterranean zones 8 to 11, they can thrive for 30 years or even longer. Oftentimes, when the rosemary becomes woody, they are less flavorful over time, making replacement around 5 to 10 years a common practice, especially when they're grown in containers. Rosemary does not necessarily need any fertilization at all, and remember, do not plant them with water-loving plants. So guys, if you have been trying to grow rosemary for a very long time like myself, if you follow these simple steps, you will be growing successful rosemary plants in no time at all that you can get to use in your home. Right now I am going to be harvesting some more rosemary because I want to go inside and make something very special with you all. So let's go and harvest some more rosemary right now. So guys, as a reminder, remember that when you're getting the rosemary for propagation, you need to cut the very tender parts of the rosemary and not the woody part. All right? So after I take the leaves from these, I am going to be sticking them in my Vigo garden, and hopefully I will have a whole lot of rosemary plants to plant in my garden. Let's talk about some of the benefits of rosemary. Rosemary offers benefits like boosting memory and focus, reducing stress, improving digestion, fighting inflammation with antioxidants, and promoting hair growth and skin health. potentially by improving circulation and fighting bacteria, making it useful in cooking, aromatherapy, and topical applications. If you do not have a rosemary plant in your garden, why not consider one right now because it's such an amazing plant to have in your garden.